Come on.
Yeah, I think you can lift it over.
You think so?
20-pound, 30-pound bird on the phone.
Có tổ chức cho người tiếng Đà Lạt á. Oh my God, look over the flower. We need to pull back this way a little bit.
There's one.
Yeah. We need to pull back.
Oh yeah, got that on camera too. Let's go, baby.
Tell them about it. That was really sorry.
Yeah, we got you can check it now. No, so you're talking just nothing.
I'm on more. I don't see anything.
Yeah.
Is it pretty big?
It's okay.
It's alright, son. Okay, go lift that side.
Oh, that's, oh my God, there's one cool back there.
We keeping this size?
Yeah. Oh, you. Yeah.
Another fish on. Let's go, baby.
I told you.
Yeah, I want to help me get this one. Dude, we don't have a net.
Ergon, paano? Go record.
Oh my God.
Easy, Ergon. Let's go. Look at all these striper, baby.
Must be nice.
Show it to the camera.
Oh yeah, baby. This is a nice one.
Woo! Nice, nice. He's on.
Oh man, finally caught another one. Dude, I think it's a catfish.
No, it's a big striper.
Why that one look sick, Dad? I think that one's about to die.
Can't let it go.
There it is.
The shed ball.
Yeah.
I didn't even see the fish. I only threw it to the shed ball. I think that's what the Mika people are doing. They're not seeing the striper. They're seeing the shed. Hey, what I tell you? It's hella small.
That rod just make it look big. You gonna flip it?
Hell no. What type of question is that?
Here, let me hold your rod.
I'm gonna get whooped even more.
All right.
Finally caught a caper. I put it.
Yeah.
He's on. Small one. Oh, he's on too.
Small striper.
I just gotta get Ergon on my camera now.
Welcome back.
Oh, yo, the black.
Cái tiền nhân thì ra nó cái nào thì chở cái tiền nghe ta cáo hoàng hẳn chứ. Should log it dude.
Uh-oh, look at Mr. Ergon.
There's a small ass one. I don't even think it's a striper.
Look, Ergon got one. Let's put him in the video now.
God damn. My crappie are bigger than this. I have to chase this one.
We ain't chasing nothing, bro. You better get that shit in.
Hell no, you fuckers. We chasing it.
Oh no. You got plenty of line to hold it. Just
Come over here.
It's a really, really good one. Holy shit, this dude's all the way out there. What the fuck? I'm using a crappie rod.
Alright, that is not a crappie rod.
It is a crappie rod. Bro, if I didn't hook him, he wouldn't be hooked yet. Man.
Show it to the camera.
Look at that.
Oh shit, more on to here no.
You need help, bro?
In front of us, Kevin.
Here, bro. Holy shit, that's a fat ass one. Hold up. Thank you, bro.
Hold it up.
Hear that? Dude, you got.
All right, guys. Some we got so far.
Oh shit. That motherfucker good one, bro.
Damn, there's some good ones in
That's a high. Hooked up right here too. Let's go.
Tôi tới chụp tao nó.
Nice.
Hold on. Oh yeah, baby.
Yep.
And then this guy got, hey, throw it on.
Oh hell no. I got
Yeah,
60
bro.
pounds, bro.
Nah, bro, don't worry. I'm number one. Grab it, ready? Nope.
I got 60 pounds.
No, no,
Fuck that shit. Sheesh. 60 pounds, bro.
Good job, bro. Number one, grab it, bro. I told you they were fucking loaded over here. There was like 5 or 6 of them just chilling.
Man, I forgot my net too. Look. Don't let him shorten the Oh my god.
Behind
the
us.
blitz over there again.
Behind us.
That's a take it, dude. Woo! Shit!
Dude, Kaylan, quit your on list.
Shout it on.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh,
I lost
shit.
it, dude. Fuck!
Oh yeah,
Oh
baby.
motherfucker!
Yeah.